Now let's look at what is called fixed period system for placing orders. Okay. So far what we have been discussing could be considered as continuous system or perpetual system or even fixed quantity system. Okay. That goes by you have a reorder point, you start with certain level of inventory, and as the inventory goes down you monitor the inventory every time it changes. Then the moment it hits the reorder point, then you place an order for the economic order quantity, which is a fixed quantity. So order quantity is fixed, but when you will order may change. If the demand is kind of sluggish, then it may take a long time for you to reach the reorder point. But if the demand is high, larger than normal, then you will quickly reach the reorder point. Then you will place the order for that EOQ. So the time between orders may change from cycle to cycle, but the order quantity itself will remain the same. And for that reason, that system is called fixed quantity system, or because we constantly monitor the inventory level, it's called continuous system. Now that kind of system will be good for class A and class B items in the ABC analysis, but sometimes fixed period system can be used, if it is a C class item, or there are some conveniences also available with fixed period system. Well, you can combine a family of products and place orders for all of them at the same time at fixed intervals of time, say every Monday of the week or every first Monday of the month, or you may have a convenient fixed interval period at which you will place an order. So orders placed at the end of a fixed period is called a fixed period system. Here the inventory is not monitored constantly, but it is monitored only at the end of the fixed period, say 1 month or whatever. So first Monday of the month, then you count how many items you have and then you place an order based on what your inventory level is at that point in time. So usually you will have a fixed target level, and then whatever your inventory level at the time of placing the order is, you will find the difference in the order quantity and the target and the on-hand inventory, and you will place the order for that quantity. So here the order periodicity, time between orders, is fixed, but the order quantity can be different, because if the demand is kind of sluggish, then you will have a large on-hand quantity. So the difference between the target level and the on-hand will be small. So your order quantity will be small. But if the demand is greater than normal, so you will have very little on-hand inventory. So the order quantity needed to bring the inventory to the target level will be large. So in this system, it's the exact opposite of the continuous review system. Here, the time between orders is fixed. In the previous case, the time between the orders was not fixed. In this case, the order quantity may vary from one order cycle to the next. In the previous system, the order quantity was fixed. So here is a graphical representation of what I was talking about. So you have a fixed period and the order quantity. So here the on-hand level was at this point, so your order quantity is that. In the second order cycle, your on-hand quantity is this, then your order quantity is that. Now how do you compute the target quantity? Well, that's beyond the scope of this chapter.